श्री सीता लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्न हनुमत समेत श्री रघुनंदन परब्रह्मणे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। राम राम। Here in our Dr. CRM Academy, which is meant for children with special needs, all activities are based only according to the wishes of Lord Sri Rama. Whatever activities pleases him, whichever activities are good for the children, those activities are taking place in this institution. Now, Lord Rama, when he went with Vishwamitra to see what is happening in the forest, he did Tatakavad, Subahusvad, and he protected Vishwamitra's yagam. While seeing that events and happenings in the forest, he had in his mind that we have to proceed to dense forest, and we should also see, hear, listen to the happenings and bad deeds that Rakshasas are doing for the rishis. We should also listen to the rishis' queries. So he had that in mind, and when he came back to Ayodhya with Sita, marrying Sita, he decided to go to forest. That was his decision. So he made everybody to act according to it, and he fulfilled his wish by going to forest. When Kaikeyi asked the boon of doing tavam for 14 years in the forest, he went with that. He took that as a promise, and he went to forest. But there he did not do any tavam. He was just fighting with all the Rakshasas. He protected all the rishis. That was his tavam. So he went to the dense forest, listened to all the rishis' queries. When he went there, he can even go in the Raja costume itself. But he didn't do that. He took up the costume of rishis. Why he did that? Now if we are going to a house or to a person to meet that person, if the person is dressed very rich and his gestures are very high, we will be having some hesitation to talk to him. Whereas if he is going to be like us, we will easily mingle with them. Likewise, he wanted all the rishis to come out with all their queries. That is the reason he took the costume of that rishi itself, went to the forest and listened to everybody's queries, and he wanted everyone to be in peace. So he killed all the Rakshasas. And also he had good friend Sugriva, where Vali was ruling Kishkinda, but he did not take his brother's advice. Also he did not take his brother's he did not keep his brother as a Yuvraj also. He ditched him away, and Sugriva was staying in some mountains place with 5 Vanaras. He want to free, Rama want to free that Sugriva. Rama want to destroy all the fear of Sugriva. So he conquered Vali. He took the Kishkinda from him and he gave to Sugriva. And one of the ardent devotee of Rama, Shabari, was expecting him to come to his her place. And Rama went there as a result of that bhakti which Shabari had. So after reaching Lanka, he killed Ravana and gave Lanka to Vibhishana. So wherever he conquered all the king, he will be the king. Whoever conquers the kingdom, that he will be ruling the king. But Rama didn't do that. Rama gave the Kishkinda to Sugriva and Lanka to Vibhishana. from north to south he walked throughout the place. When Trivikrama measured all the three lokams, Rama also did the same. From north to south he measured all the entire earth. Everything is his control, in his control. We are also under his control only. So when he freed Sugriva, he gave Lanka to Vibhishana. Vibhishana, who was as a flower in midst of thorn, he was in the Lanka. So he want to free him also. So he did all these good deeds to everyone. Then only he took Ayodhya kingdom in his hand. So such was the character of Rama. He wants everyone to be in peace. When he wants to be in peace, before that he sees to it that everyone is in peace. That is the reason we are also in Siaram Academy want everyone to be taking something good from us. We should do something, some service to the communities, to the parents, to the children with special needs. So we are adopting his principles, the great Lord Rama's principles, and we are trying to educate the children with special needs. Sahi Vidya ya Bhagavad Praptyartha. True knowledge shows the path of God. Ram Ram.